good old Dodge broke down yesterday. Wasn't really off-roading, but I guess that's what happened. Can you guys see that the ball joint snap situation? That snapped right off the tie rod, and off this rod right here is snapped off. Isn't that really crazy though? Yeah. It's not very cool. Not cool at all. Like at all. So that's what we gotta be working on today. Yeah, there's the animals over there. It's not completely off. Wow. Alright, this is where the tie rod broke right off. Here's the new one, and now we've got to separate this a little bit so that way we can slide it out. This tie, the old one, is a lot longer than the new one, so the overall length needs to be 26 inches and a quarter. No, 32 inches. Crap, I forgot. Hey guys, I hope you can see and hear me pretty well. I am working on my Dodge Ram, and I had a problem with my Dodge Ram because my steering rod decided to break off. Now, if you guys can see this, this is the steering gearbox, okay? We have a tie rod end on this side, which I... Oh, man. Alright, this is... Oh, there it is. Okay. Which I have a nut right here for it. And just as I suspected. Okay. Alright, that's the tie rod right here. This is the other side, other tie rod right here. It goes into here. Now let me remove my impact. Okay. Truthfully, it's a bit muddy. We had rain yesterday, and we're supposed to have rain. Yikes. That actually hurt. Okay, so let me get this off. Okay. All right, so all right, so this is a ball joint press puller, and this right here, guys, is pretty crazy situation. That snapped right off the tie rod, and off this rod right here is snapped off. Isn't that really crazy? Like, it had to be defected on the inside. It was half broke already, and it just happened to snap right off in my drive. And I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful that this happened in my driveway instead of somewhere in Kentucky, because that would have been really bad. So here we are. Here's the new bar right here that I bought. Let me see if I can get this to fit. All right, I got it to fit. That's good. Okay. All right, so I did take some measurements on how long this is supposed to be, and I have my tape measure here, and it is supposed to be 32 inches and a quarter. That is what it's supposed to be. So we are 32 inches and 5/8. So we've got to go in. All right. Okay, I'll get that pulled out. This has got to go in. About right there. And I'm going to get this back in. Set it back in. And we will take another measurement. 32. Oh, geez. I unscrewed that the wrong way. Alright, so let me make sure this is okay. Here we go. That's going in the way it's supposed to be. Alright, we are going. Now this is supposed to go in as well, just like that. Okay. Alright, that definitely moved it in. I'm gonna measure it again. Okay. Okay, that's too much. Alright, so we've got to loosen it up. Yeah. Alright. Right on the money. Okay, perfect. Just perfect. I'll do that. Okay, hold on. Got some mud on it. Okay, so that and this one in there as well. All right. And okay. That one started. Get this one started. And this started. And All right, this whole experience was horrible, but I think we're about done with it. Okay. That one is tight. That's tight. And that's tight. And we got it tight. Okay. Let me see. See if I can put this on. Okay. Okay, so we put it on cotter pin. Alright, I think this project is finally done, guys. This has been a pretty tough one. So, this is the old tie rod end. This is the other portion of the tie rod end, the new one. So we've got that done. Very good. Next thing we're gonna do is the crankshaft pulley seal in the front here, and I'm gonna do a clutch on my AC pump. I might just do a new AC pump. Anyway, all right. Thanks for watching.